Imagine you're sitting at your favorite coffee shop. You're checking your work emails on your personal iPhone, or maybe you're finishing a project proposal on your own MacBook. It's convenient, right? This is what we call BYOD, or bring your own device. In today's fast-paced world, the lines between our personal lives and our professional work are more blurred than ever. While BYOD offers incredible flexibility and saves companies millions in hardware costs, it has also become one of the biggest headaches for cybersecurity teams worldwide. Today, we're going to dive deep into what BYOD really means, why it's a security minefield, and how organizations can stay safe. Before we talk about the dangers, let's understand why companies allow this in the first place. First, there's cost efficiency. When employees use their own hardware, the company doesn't have to buy 1,000 laptops or pay for 1,000 data plans. Then there's productivity. Most people are simply faster and more comfortable using their own devices. You know your own keyboard, your own shortcuts, and your own setup. But, as the saying goes in cybersecurity, with great convenience comes great vulnerability. By allowing a personal device to touch a corporate network, you are essentially opening a door. And if that door isn't locked, anyone can walk in. Let's break down the 4 biggest risks. First, data leakage. This is the number one concern. If an employee leaves the company on bad terms, or if they simply lose their phone at an airport, all that sensitive corporate data, client lists, private emails, internal strategy, stays on that device. Without a plan, that data is gone or, worse, in the wrong hands. Second, the malware bridge. Think about it. On your personal time, you might download a third-party game, visit a sketchy website, or click a link in a personal text. If your phone gets infected with a virus and you then connect to the office Wi-Fi, that virus can hop from your phone directly into the company's main server. Third, unsecured networks. When you use public Wi-Fi at a hotel or cafe, hackers can perform a man-in-the-middle attack, intercepting every password or file you send.
And finally, the patching gap. When a company owns a laptop, the IT department forces updates. But on a personal device, many people ignore those update your OS notifications for months. Those unpatched holes are an open invitation for hackers.
To make this real, let's look at 3 examples. Example 1, the sales executive. Imagine a rep who has 500 high-value client contacts on their personal phone. They move to a competitor but keep their phone. That's a massive loss of proprietary data. Example 2, the jailbroken tablet. A designer uses a jailbroken iPad to get free apps. By doing this, they've removed the device's built-in security layers. Now, a simple piece of spyware can record their screen while they work on top-secret product designs. Example 3, shadow IT. This is when an employee connects a smartwatch or even a smart coffee mug to the office network. These Internet of Things devices are notoriously easy to hack and can be used as a stepping stone to reach secure company files. So how do we fix this? Smart companies use 3 main strategies: MDM, or mobile device management. This is software that lets IT create a secure bubble on your phone. They can't see your personal photos, but they can wipe the work emails if you lose the phone. MFA, never rely on just a password. Always require a fingerprint or a code. Zero Trust Architecture. This is a philosophy where the network treats every device as a potential threat until it is verified, regardless of who owns it. BYOD is here to stay. The flexibility is just too good to ignore. But it requires a partnership between the employee and the IT department to keep data safe. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more cybersecurity insights. I've put together a BYOD security checklist for managers and employees. Would you like me to share that in the next video or send it to you directly? Let me know in the comments.